So, good afternoon po mga ka-KT Vlog. Andito naman po tayo sa orientation po ng Makati Grand Region Council. So, iba-ibang chapter po andito. So, dito po kami sa Santa Cruz, Barangay Santa Cruz Basketball Court. So, kita-kits po tayo. Alright.
Ay, tol. Eh, si Sir.
Alright, yes.
Paano pumasok? Manual.
Alright.
May konta kami.
Yes.
Di pasok na buhay.
Uy! Jensek. Alright.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Alright.
Nag-vlog na rin siya.
Alright. Vice Jensek. Alright. Yes. Alright. So we're here. Alright. Yes.
Bakit nag-iisa ka?
Di po. Nandiyan po sila.
Attendance, Tom. Attendance.
Uy! Nandito si Lakay! Alright! Lakay lang, malakas! Atal. Alright.
Mag-attendance ka.
Apo, brother. Baka may ulit. Alright. Salute tol, salute. Alright. Yes. Brother. Alright. Tol. Yes. Alright, GT. Tol. Alright. Yes. Alright. Katie. Yes. Napaka-busy naman. Alright. Tol. Good afternoon. Yes. Alright. Tol. Alright. Tol.
Thank you, brother, for the existence of the gods, so that we may succeed in all the entrepreneurs and enlightenment strength. Our national brigade, Secretary General, Municipal Chairman, Dr. Sulantes, and the Dr. Lady Studio, so for them to maintain the high standard of decision making for the better and more successful. Taugama Sigma, Christian Grand Fraternity sa mga Pilipino.
Papasalamat na naimbitahan kami dito sa ganitong pagkakataon kasi isa sa mga priority projects namin ay ang mga mag-orient ng mga brads at sis na nandito na nasasakupan namin.
Si Spider Roblas, mula po sa Polytechnic University of the Philippines, Quezon City Chapter. Ang inyong pong kasalukuyang Vice Secretary.
Alas 4. Tansya ko pa rin ito na.
And siyempre sa ating chairman and officer, as well as the Sigma, ay